Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all having a great day. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Hammam Abdurrahman. I'm a college student at STKIP Pasundan Cimahi, majoring in English education with NPM 255 11 03 and 0. I'm originally from Cimahi. My mother is from Kuningan, West Java, and my father is Javanese. I'm the youngest of two siblings in my family. My hobbies are listening music and singing. I also like watching movies, especially Japanese anime, South Korean K dramas, and Western movies. Sometimes I play mobile games called Roblox, which lets me connect and do conversation with people from all over the world. So I really enjoy it because I can meet a lot of friends from there. I think the English survival course focus on conversation, daily situational dialogues, the importance of vocabularies for survival situations. The main outcome is that this course has made me feel braver and more confident about using English, and I have also become much better at having small, spontaneous conversations. But my biggest challenges are my limited vocabulary, poor pronunciation, and irregular grammars. But I've been working to improve by exploring new vocabulary, recording myself to compare with native speakers, and studying grammar rules. Plus, my hobbies are the perfect environment for me to keep developing and practicing my skills. So, I think I can improve my English skills. So, that's all, and thank you.